gosh, Blizzard Pack is out. And that is just so nice. So we're just gonna crack it open. But first, before I forget, I'm gonna sell some of my Blizzard Blooks. So yeah, so we can hopefully we will have more money. Hopefully we can unlock them all back. Cause if we don't, I'll be really sad. Okay, let's go. So we don't. Oh, we don't even have the. Okay, let's go. Ooh, a gingerbread man first try. I noticed there's an aquatic glitch here, like in the aquatic pack. Same glitch. Stocking. Hot chocolate. Nice snow globe. Hot chocolate. I haven't got the epic yet. I really want that epic. Here we go. Gingerbread house. Can we get the epic? Or the legendary, that would be so cool. Oh, we got the legendary. We got the legendary Santa Claus. We got the legendary Santa Claus. Crazy, before the epic. Before the epic. Can we get the epic? No, we cannot. But we got the legendary. Let's go. Imagine getting a chroma because there's a 0.01 there. So Blizzard season is out. Crazy. And we got the... See, there's a 0.01 elf sweater snowman. Oh, epic! Epic. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Epic snowman. I didn't think we'd get an epic, but we did. So nice. Last pack. Okay. I'm gonna stock up for a bigger opening here. Just one sec. I'm gonna go to my other account. I had the luckiest open ever. Guys, on my only 3 tokens in my other account. Hope we get something good. Ooh, snowman already. I really want that chroma snowman. The game guys somehow already got both the red sweater snowman and the blue sweater snowman. It just seems unfair to me that I never really get these chromas. I spent 10k in the in the spooky pack, and I only got 9 ghosts, which I'm waiting to trade off now. Okay. So this is my second account. And my most valuable block here is, hope to get something good. On my secondary accounts, my most valuable block is the astronaut. Okay, that's it. Okay, 48 tokes. Epic, let's go, Epic Snowman. I love this epic on animation on the font. It's just, oh, well, epic was good. Okay, we're just going forever. We are getting so much reindeers. Okay, but that's it. That's it. Okay, so that's it for the video, and yeah, subscribe because you might win one of these coveted chromas here if we get to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. And there's actually not that much time left. In one of these coveted chromas, there's actually not that much time left because it's already December 4th. And as you can see, we're in the blizzard season, but these are legit chromas. If I reload, see, they're not gone. So they're legit chromas. So subscribe, and yeah, thanks for 76 subscribers. I'm gonna go post this now.